Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I do a simple wreath. That Easter wreath, I made it like last year or 2 years ago. So this one is from the dollar store. Of course, $1, and this one is $1 from a dollar store. This is the cross. You will find it from the garden section, and this from a dollar store. Yes, but I cut it like this one, very so I could easily. But all in all, it's still in a dollar store. Okay, then let's do it. I'm just gonna clip this one because it kept moving. This is wire, by the way. This is the wire. So I have to do it like this. Now, see this one, you have to attach it to make sure it's not going anywhere, but it keeps going anywhere. So I'm gonna do another one to hold it. Yeah, there's any way you wanna tighten up, it will be covered up. Then flip it. I'm just gonna do it in here. Move it. It will be covering up right here. And then remember this one, okay, in the middle, put in the middle. So I'm doing the hardest one. Yesterday I did the fastest one. I think once you get hang of it, doing this one will be okay. And then we gotta keep doing the same thing all over again. You just need to push it in like something in between like this size, and then push it all the way there. It's like I think it depends how much you want to do it, like how big. If this one is smaller, something like this, and then you push it like all the way like this. But I really want to cover the green stuff, so I'm just gonna make it like a little bit bigger, and then something like this, and then you push it all the way. Yeah. I'm just gonna do 4 in each section, I guess, or as many as you can, like 1, and then you push it all the way there, and then in here. And you can see what I'm talking about. It's like 1, 2, 3. I already have 3 in here, and I kept pushing it. Then to make sure, just make it like, and then another of this again. You just need right there. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. In here, like it depends how big or how much you want. And then this one, you just put it into the middle. If you can see it, into the middle. No, right here. You see, and then you just cross it. Don't mind my nails. Okay. I think I cut it too short. Yep. Anyway, how you want it. Then we do the same thing all over again. You need to just do it like this, fold it, and push it and shove it in. So on the first one, I only did 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have pushed more. So this is, if you can see, it's already doing it. Last year, no, not last year, like a day, I remember it, but I did my Christmas wreath also. I think it's about like this, and then you push it over like that. And then right here, and then push it, like push. Can you see now? You just need to push it. If you I think it's up to you how much you want it. And then you just make sure it's all, you're doing it. Okay. It's like this now. We just need to keep doing it until we did everything. Then, yeah, right there. I think the wire, I cut it really short. I think I'm gonna use 2 of these because I just really wanna like really full, not empty looking. So it will cover the greenish color, the wire. So from here, I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because I want to like push it, so it will look really full. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if I can still squeeze it. You can still squeeze it if you really want to make it like fuller. And I think, yes, make sure. Halfway down. Okay, so you just need to keep doing. Make sure they're all the same size. So it's not big, it's not small. It should be all the same size. Um, guys, don't forget to give me like, share, and subscribe. And then I'm gonna need another one for both side. This is the second decorative mesh. I'm gonna use it from a dollar store. Also, keep in mind because this is from a dollar store, so it's very hard to work with unless you buy the expensive decorative mesh. Okay, we can add this one in the middle. This is from a dollar store. Can be like this, or the remaining flowers that I use is from my other craft in here, or I can get another flowers from here, reusable, trying to reuse it in here. Because this is like the old one that I have, and I just need to glue it. Some yellow. You gotta use the hot glue so it's not going anywhere. Video, it should be right here, or maybe in here in the middle, and then this one. It's okay. Here. I just need to glue it like this. Or I can put more, or I can use this one and put it in the middle. I'm thinking what can be. But we're gonna try to use this one. And oops. And here. Then we just need to glue it. And we'll see it's gonna look like. Okay guys, it's almost done. I think I kind of like it. It's kind of like a spring, the colors, and Easter, you know. I like it. The pictures don't really give justice because in person it's really pretty. It turned out really pretty. It's so easy, simple, quick, and easy, and affordable. I cannot describe how much I really like it. I think it's turned out really pretty. Repurpose your old decorations, mostly from a Dollar Tree store. It won't take long time to do this one. I think y'all can do it. You just need the cross and the decorative mesh and the wire. I don't know what do you call that, but really pretty, and I like it. I really do. Hope you like the video as much as I like the Easter wreath, summer wreath. I'm not sure. So guys, don't forget to give me like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for supporting my channel, and thank you again for watching my channel, and hope to see you on my next video. Okay guys, so don't forget to leave your comments down below. I'm open for your suggestion, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. It's Mem Sky. Bye.